lana ngingasikhambe noma izifana mhlawumbe content ethile angazi kodwa umikhanda kuyafika manje
mfethu ngenza ukuthi ni right kusebusuku mina ngihleli ne yo guys si right ne sibe right akulimalanga nje umuntu kahle kahle asikwibheka ngisho kwibheka kodwa imoto nje guys ingingqekile like yo angiyazi mina lento mfethu but ingakusho ukuthi nje ulalela umuzwa wakho into okutshela wona because mina ekuseni ngivuke ngathandaza nje like kade ngagcina ukuthandaza but namhlanje ngivuke nje ngalayitha amakhandlela ami ngathandaza ngicela nohambo lwethu because bengiza ekhaya ngizobabona ngathandaza ngicela uhambo lwethu lu-right then sahamba okay ubhebe uyahamba ubona umntanakhe so wabuya-ke then sesihamba masiphuma futhi endlini ubhebe uyathanda yena ukuthandaza futhi athandaza like khona ividiyo le ngiyipostile bengikhala ne yeah so ngikhale after nje ukuthandaza I think maybe after 3 or 4 minutes qeda ukuthandaza then ngakhala kanjeya like kuyangenza ke uma ngithandaza mina and especially uma ngingade ngagcina ukuthandaza ngoba uma ngingathandaza ngivele ngikhale so then sesifika la emshiyeni nje imoto nje besibheke nje kave marobhotini imoto nje guys yavele nje yaphuma I think inkinga ibisesondweni yavele imoto guys yaphuma emgaqweni yaphampalaza yagingqika I think maybe irole ka2 or 3 yalala ngomhlane ukhakha yalala ngokhakha yakhuluza ngalo yazi yayophenduka ngesikhathi sayo yaphenduka ke yasikhona uhlala and akazi ukuthi yo uNkulunkulu mkhulu uyaphila futhi kwabamthembayo.
Molweni namkelekile nonke kwezitshisa be entertainment guys umbali wabantu hlengiwe ex-wife of the one and only Samkelo Shezi recently took to social media platforms zakhe to share into ba she was involved in a tragic car accident kahlehle bekumele ngabe njengangoku kuthethwa enye into mhlambi basesibhedlele or someone was hurt but uye wenza ke as follow up videos and ndifakele zona to share with ifans zakhe into baba right furthermore uthi before bahambe ekseni uye wathandaza ezinemva then uye wafaka ke le video lena apho akhala khona angazi into ba ebekhalela nto. Now some people are saying mhlawumbe sisithunywa sakhe because umbalisi amazi into ba uyakholelwa kakhulu ezintweni zamadlozi. Now khona abantu abathi mbali please you are on social media yekani hlukanani nokusoloko ni update abantu into ba ndasuka ngoku ndayaphi ndathenga imoto ndamuva in a new apartment zonke ezizinto you guys are constantly updating forgetting that not everyone okufollowishayo ukufisela konke okuhle. We are glad that you guys came out alive but hlukanani noku-overshare izinto ku social media while others were telling them to please go for a checkup because lento yenzeke izolo and already umbali does seem as though say back ke ku social media work. So yeah guys ke nazo indaba ze horror, please do let me know what your thoughts are on this one and ndizonibona shortly. Bye guys.